wowza! It's like slimy, what? Oh, it's nice, and then it's got a little, I'll eat a big tub. Yay! Okie dokie. Hello, guys. Today I have for you the unboxing of, what month even is this? March, maybe? March Lush Kitchen Box. I was gonna, sorry this is a bit late, I'm usually quite on the ball with these, but last night I set up everything to film, got my light ready. As I popped out to the pub, so I was like, oh, I'll film downstairs. And then I've had like a real awful cold for like 2 weeks. So, well, Rude's isn't as bad, but he's had one too. And over the last 3 days, I've been having pain when I cough in my chest, but I thought, oh, just like pulled a muscle, it's fine. And then last night I quickly popped into the kitchen after I set my light up, coughed again, and like something like popped in my chest. And I was like, oh, shit. And I couldn't move or anything, it was awful. And like I sat there on the sofa for about 20 minutes, like Googling heart attacks, because I was like, oh God, am I dying? And obviously Barry had just left for the pub. I felt really awful, but I was like, could you come home, please? Like, I can't move or pick up the baby. So he was in his little poofy thing, like sat with me. So he was fine. Luckily he didn't cry or anything, so I didn't have to pick him up. But I was just like, for God's sake, I wanted to film a video. No, I'm joking. Then in the end I had to ring 111 because Barry's very like, he was very worried. He thought I had like pleurisy or something. So we rang 111 and then in the end they booked us in for like a couple of hours later on the evening. It was like 11:15, we had to go to hospital. But we saw the out of hours GP, which is so handy. Like if you have something wrong with you, like obviously if it is a proper emergency, go to A&E. But if it's something like that, ring 111 and they'll book you in the out of hours, and that's so much better. Because I said to Barry, I was like, I'm not going to sit in A&E for hours just for them to say you've pulled a muscle. Like, because don't get me wrong, it's very painful, but wow, I don't know, I couldn't breathe particularly well, but I was like, I hadn't popped a lung or anything. But yeah, that's why this video is late. Okay, so sorry about that. But let's dig in. How exciting. I opened her up whilst I was jabbering. You've got your little, sorry my nails are gross, I really need to do them. Got your little card telling you what's in there. You've got the little artwork that they pop in every month. It says, God save the clean, very sort of punk rocky looking. Love that. And then we've got our stuff inside. Let's have a look. Oh, there's badges, how fun. I love it when there's a little extra something in there. It just makes it very exciting, doesn't it? One of them's come off, but that's fine. So we've got join the Cosmic Revolution. Oh, these are so fun. I mean, I don't know where I'd put them, but they're really fun. We've got Never Mind the Ballistics and a little safety pin. How adorbs. Super adorable. Okay, let's dig into what's in the box. People were a bit about this month's box, and I was as well, because there's 2 bath bombs in there, and I'm just like, they're nice, but they just fizz away and they're gone in seconds, and that's all you get from them. And I love them, I do, but I'd rather something else, you know what I mean? Something that would last. But nonetheless, let's have a look at them, shall we? One is sticking out and it's so bright, I'm so excited. This is the, oh, it's like slimy, what? This is the Never Mind the Ballistics. Oh, is it like a melt on top? Wow. Never Mind the Ballistics bath bomb. God, it's like slipping out my fingers. I can't pick it up. It looks like this. Oh, I've got pink all over it now. Oh, wowza. This is so adorable. It's yellow on the bottom and it's got like a reddy pink. This is a wax melt, like a melt, a bath melt even. How adorable. I love this. This is very citrusy. It smells like a sweetie that I cannot think of. I can think of. Fruit, what are they? They're the little, like, sort of like a penny sweet type vibe that you can get in the wrapper. Oh, what are they? Rhubarb and custard, is it? In the yellow and pink wrapper. I feel like it smells like that. Ooh. This is so, okay, I tell you what, quite a lot about bath bombs. This is a very exciting one. Oh, I love it. Yeah, we've got citric acid in there. Maru butter. What have we got? Cocoa butter, lime oil, sweet wild orange oil. Oh, I love all that. There's just so many citrus elements to it. That's what makes it smell gorgeous. Love that. I can also see the other bath bomb sticking out, so let's just grab that one, shall we? This one is called Green Man Bath Bomb. We've got citric acid, buchu oil, rosewood oil, lemongrass oil, fresh mint, a few other things in there. I think is it the fresh mint putting me off? Something's going on in this. Oh, it's nice, and then it's got a little, I don't know about this one. I'm not too sure. Got your Lush, oh, it says Lush Kitchen on the bottom. That's adorbs. Lush Kitchen on the bottom. Looks like it's got some sort of jazzy bits going on inside. But I don't think I like that one. I may not keep that one. Yeah, because they've got a bit of a jazzy undertone to it. Next thing, which I am super excited for, but I'm also worried that I won't like the smell of it, is the Guardian of the Forest Body Scrub. She look like this. Let's open her up. There we go. Yeah, people have been like I know they package these, but everyone's box, they've been like, I've got bare fingerprints in it. Like, you can see the person's hand. Whose hand is this? Let's find out whose hand. This is Georgie's hand. Thanks, Georgie. Yeah, I think this is the grass scent. Oh, sorry, Dex. I just threw it at the dog. What a bloody idiot. This is, I believe it's the grass scent, because it does just smell like grass. And I do like the grass scent, but not loads. I mean, it's so fresh. It is really fresh. Like, it is beautiful, but it is that type of scent. Like, I don't know if I'd want that on my body. Like, it smells fab when you've just cut the grass and stuff. Do you know what I mean? But I don't know. Which is gutting, because I love a big tub. Can't beat a big tub. I might have to keep sniffing this. It might grow on me. It might grow on me. Next thing we have that is sticking out that looks so pretty is the soap. I think this is called Birch Sap Soap. Oh, so fun. Oh, look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, my ribby ribs. Use your other hand, Charlie. Oh, look at that. How gorge. So this has, what have you got in it, mate? Cocoa butter, coconut oil, castor oil, fir needle absolute. How interesting. Tegeets oil, not sure what that is. Brazilian orange oil, birch charcoal powder, citric acid. Yeah. Oh, that is probably right up my partner's street, to be honest with you. It's a very blokey scent. Do you know what I mean? He's all right, I promise. He's watching his he likes dancing fruits and like the little things that jazz around on the telly, and he gets really excited. So he's just like, wah, to mute it, obviously, so I can film this, but he's still like, woohoo, watching it. That's a very manly scent. I might see if my partner wants it. If not, he might be getting rid of that one as well. This isn't a very Charlie scented box, but I really wanted to try it. It looked super interesting. Like, I never not want to try the kitchen boxes. Do you know what I mean? If it's new products, I want to give them a go. Last thing in here is the little solid perfume. Comes in your little standard pot. This is Fairs or Fairzy. Not sure how you pronounce that one. This has got jojoba oil, castor oil, candelilia. Mama, is that how you say it? Candelilia wax. Perfume, neroli oil, mimosa absolute. Let's give it a sniff. Yay! My nose is still a bit blocked. It's just like vanilla-y, I feel. Like, I mean, I don't know why, I don't think there's any vanilla in there. But, oh, it's beautiful. Should we finger this one because... finger. Sorry. Shall we have a go with this one? Because I think I'm going to keep this one because it smells lovely. Oh, that's just really nice. It gives me like sun cream on a summer's day. You've gone outside to sunbathe. Fresh, happy vibe. Oh, you've just got a little cocktail on the go as well. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I'm so happy about that one. I wanted a good solid perfume that I like. Wonderful. So, I mean, 2 out of 3 of those products I love. 2 out of 3? 2 out of 5 of those products I love. The other ones, I don't know. I'm not sure. I usually keep them for a couple of days in the box and keep sniffing them. And then if I don't like them, I'll give them to someone else or sell them or something. But cute box. Like it is a really that vibe box. Do you know what I mean? Like how fun is that? I enjoyed that box. Nonetheless, even though I didn't like everything in it, I love trying the products, sniffing them, testing them. I don't know, just love it. That soap, partner might like that soap. Yeah, so that is it the March box? I'm losing track of time. Yeah, it is. It's the March box. Love you. Yeah, so let me know if you guys got this month's box. What did you guys think of it? What was your favourite out of it and your least favourite? Because I always like to know what people like. My favourite is defo this guy. Oh, smells phenomenal. And then obviously I like this one as well. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll be super interested to find out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.